You playing with some mashed potatoes?
Hey.
Wow, you got some taters on your hands. Whoa! That was just a flinging. That's right, Sierra, look it up.
You and Sydney are
I
going to
told
be
you,
best
that's
buddies.
your best buddy right there. She can start to play with food. Hey.
Hi. Hi.
Yummy. There you go.
Good girl. Way to chew.
You did it. Good girl. Stick your nose right up there, huh, girl? No, don't touch the air with your hands. So you might lick your hand, though. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness.
Mommy's idea.
It was my idea.
It's a good idea, though. Sierra loves it.
Oh yeah. You want to give her some? Okay.
Sierra says thank you. I'll eat it up.
You gonna start throwing it over? Okay.
Oh, it's here for it.